Welcome back, you guys. We're doing a review today, and we're actually going to be reviewing the new Wet n Wild collection by Walmart. Not Walmart. The new Wet n Wild collection, which will be exclusive to Walmart. This here is their Zodiac collection, which you guys saw in my thumbnail, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do some swatches, and we're going to talk about it. They've got quite a few things in here, and basically it looks really cool. I've been holding off on playing with this until we did a review on it. So if you guys have seen this collection, let me know. And if you guys want to see everything that's in this collection and how it looks and kind of basically my first impressions on what you should maybe get. Maybe you should get everything, or maybe there's pieces in here that you should or shouldn't get, then just keep watching. So in this entire collection, we have a total of 12 lip glosses, which are going to have a high pigmented mirror-like shine. We have the Color Iconic eyeshadow, the Mega Loose highlighting powder, and the Mega Loose. Oh my god, did I say the Mega Loose? Oh. The Mega Glow Loose highlighting powder. It is really late at night, you guys. We're going to kick it off with the highlighting bars. The very first set we have here, which will have a total of 4 in the collection, which will retail for about $6.99. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but right along here, they have all of the signs embedded on it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and swatch the very first one. This is really, really creamy. So here is the first one. It is a little powdery than what I'm used to. Let's swatch it one more time. Sometimes with these highlighters, especially the Wet n Wild ones, I do find that some of their highlighters have like this almost kind of like a film to it, so you almost have to kind of scrape. There it is. You sometimes have to scrape through the first like layer of it, and then you get really good pigment out of it. Really, really pretty color. The next one we have here is Fire. That one's gorgeous. Do you guys see that? The next one we have is Air, which this one is more dimensional. It's got a lot of different colors, so I'm very interested to see how this one plays. Ooh, okay. It is like this bright, bright white, and you definitely get that with the first swatch through it, but I just wanted to show you guys just how creamy it is. This is by far my favorite one. I definitely did not expect that. And then the last one in the collection is called Water, which you guys can tell it's got a blue shift to it, which I have a feeling it's definitely maybe going to be like the other one. Oh, this one's kind of cool. Okay, so this is definitely for those of you guys who like kind of something very different, maybe not like your typical highlighter, but wow, that's really cool. I myself would never wear this as a highlight, but I could definitely see myself using it as like on the lid or something. We also do have the Wet n Wild Loose Highlighting Powder. This one does retail for the same price as the highlighting bar. It's around $6.99. So this one is called Written in the Stars. I really like the packaging of this. Oh, this is adorable. So I'm gonna show you guys before I open it, but so can you guys see that? There are little stars in here as the dots. Holy moly. Do you guys see just how pigmented that is? Oh crap. Holy moly. Okay, well now I have to do the other side because that thing retails for $6.99. I'm sold. So they came out with a set of 4 separate eyeshadow compacts. These here are eyeshadow palettes that contain 6 highly pigmented metallic shades. So these are also element inspired shadows. So you've got air and fire, and then this one here is earth and water. So we're gonna go ahead and test out the very first one. I'll just grab a couple swatches from each of them. The very first one you have is water. So right there are the 6 shadows that I swatched that come from the palette. I really wanna swatch this one really quick. And again, here are those shadows, and you guys can just see they are super pigmented. Can you guys see that? I had a little bit of issue trying to get this one swatched on my finger just because my nail's so long, but you guys, they're so pretty. I definitely think with the brush, you guys can easily get these onto your lid. You could definitely use them as a crease, but I think that you would be perfectly fine just getting them, like getting 1 or 2 of these palettes and then using them as like lid shades. I think they would be so pretty. The next one we have is Fire. So they're gonna have different shades of like pinks and oranges in this palette. I think if these are really creamy by themselves, but I even think with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus, oh my goodness, look at these shadows. this palette right here, if you were looking for anyone that is a great everyday palette, holy moly. So the last one we have is called Air, and this one's more light and, you know, I don't know, airy, I guess you could say. Like, it's more light and feminine in my opinion. I'm excited to play with this one. Here are the 6 colors right here. I will say that this one has to be the least pigmented, and that's saying a lot because these are still pigmented in my opinion. This one at the top, which is like their white one in the palette, is a little bit powdery. Those retail for between $4 to $5. The final part of the collection is the lip glosses. To finish off this collection, we're gonna end it with the lip glosses, and there are a total of 12 lip glosses. So here is what the packaging looks like, and I just wanted to show you guys. You're gonna get the black little topper with the lip gloss, and then each one will have its own sign. So depending on the Zodiac sign will be, you guys see it right there. Really, really cute. All 12 of these shades will retail for about $2 to $3. Very first shade we have here is Aquarius, and you guys can see it's just this really soft baby pink right here. The next one we have right here is Leo. So that there is Leo. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. So this one here is called Cancer, but it does have like a very soft pink iridescent finish to it. Next one we have, this one's so beautiful, you guys. This one here is a Gemini. So here it is right here. Next we have is Sagittarius, and this one is going to be so pretty in the fall. I already know it. So there is Sagittarius. The next one we have is this really pretty pinky shade right here. This one here is called Taurus. This one here is a Virgo. Kind of reminds me of the MAC's blue brown color in like a lip gloss form. So here is this really deep, like almost wine color. This one here is Aries. Oh my goodness, look at that. My swatches are all over the place because when I go like this and I swatch them, it's completely different when I show you guys. The next one we have here is this really pretty purple shade called Scorpio. Yes. The next one we have is this one right here. This is so pretty. This is like very unicorn. If you guys like unicorns or that, like, I don't know why, but this really reminds me of unicorns. It's nothing too strong. Do you see that? Again, another one that looks kind of similar to it. I'll show you guys side by side. So this one here's got more of like a purple tone, and this one's more baby pink. So that there is a Pisces. Again, very, very soft, very girly. And lastly, we have Capricorn, which is this like almost a fiery reddish gold lip gloss. So this one here is Capricorn down here. All right, you guys, so that there is all 12 shades. You guys can definitely see just by looking at them. The soft ones are really soft and easy and wearable. Then you got some really bold ones. They all have the same formula from what I can see, and they're not very sticky, which I like. They're definitely worth the price. I feel like you could definitely, Wet n Wild could have charged a little bit more if they wanted to, but again, this is why we love them. All right, you guys, so that there is everything from the Zodiac collection from Wet n Wild. I want to know your guys' thoughts down below. Honestly, I am mind blown by this entire collection. I think so much of it is really good. I retract that. Everything in this collection is awesome. Like, there's really not one thing I don't like. I say if I have to dislike something from this collection, it's just that the eyeshadows aren't individual. Like, they're not separated and they're not even. Like, let me show you this. Like, this, I don't know, this is just an OCD me. Like, me being OCD. But do you see how they're not even? Like, that bothers me. But besides that, I mean, there's not much else I can say about it. Obviously, like, the eyeshadows don't have very many mattes, so you're not going to get matte eyeshadows, but you're okay with that, right? Because you already have matte shadows. So these are mostly like really pretty, like one swipe to the lid. If you're looking for a palette with really good highlight shades, you're definitely going to find it. If you're looking for a good highlighter, you guys know Wet n Wild has some bomb highlighters. So it is available July 17th. It was available at Wet n Wild exclusively. And August 1st, it will, which is today actually, will actually launch in all Walmarts. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button before you guys head out. Give it a little like if you guys enjoyed this video. And before you head out, also, if you are already subscribed, make sure to hit that notification bell. That way you guys are notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.